First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. That is how we open the hood. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine, and this is the location for the engine air filter. On the corner you would see there are two brackets right there that needs to be pulled down. That's one bracket, the other bracket, and just like that, both of them are taken out. Now we will grab the top cover and then slide it towards right side. The top cover is holding on to two tabs, one right here and the other one is actually hidden behind this cover. Here I'm grabbing the top cover and then sliding it towards right side. There you see the top cover popping out and I can just lift it up completely now. And right there underneath is the filter visible, just right there. So what I'll do is I'll grab it and then I will pull it out just like that. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or if it's this way. Both ways are perfectly fine. Just make sure the curved portion on the top actually stays at the top. So suppose you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just place it right in that position right there. Make sure it's all in from all over the edges. Here I'm making sure if it's all completely in. Now we are good to put back the top cover. Notice there is one tab right here and there's one more tab behind at the back right there. I'm not sure if you could see it properly. Here I'm trying to zoom in. It's actually right there behind. Top cover from both sides have this kind of shape and both of these shapes are supposed to be slided towards left side. So what you'll do here is you will grab the top cover and then slide it towards left side. Just like that. Once we notice the top cover is slided towards left side completely, only then we will go ahead and put back both the brackets. We will make sure it is in position appropriately and seems like it is. Now we will punch in both the brackets. So the best way to put them is to grab it from the middle and then just push it from the middle like that. Same goes for the other side. Don't grab it from the top, grab it from the middle and then just push it until it goes completely in. With both the brackets installed, with that we are done with the replacement of the engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.